It's not my fault, you know I had to walk away. It's been 5 years and not one of us has changed. We say we're trying, but we just stayed the same. And the truth is, I think we're better off.
পরের নাম সুদীপ্ত রায় আছে।